Pandu had abandoned Hastinapur and was living in the Gandhamadan hills with his wives Kunti and Madri. Pandu had adapted himself to the life of forest and was living peacefully. But one day, when he saw some sages leaving for heaven, he realized that he might never go to heaven as he was childless and was in debt of his ancestors. He talked to Kunti in private. With desire of children, he asked Kunti to beget a child on him by help of some sage or an enlightened man. Kunti hesitated in the beginning, but when Pandu insisted, then she revealed her secret mantra given by sage Durvasa. She told Pandu that she can summon any god and beget children with their help. Pandu got excited by the news and he asked Kunti to summon God of Justice. So Kunti summoned God of Justice and with his grace she conceived. While Kunti got pregnant in those forests, Hastinapur was already celebrating Gandhari's pregnancy. But things got difficult for Gandhari as her pregnancy exceeded all time limits. She had a blessing of 100 children by Lord Shiva and sage Vyas, but she was pregnant for 2 years now and there was still no hope. On the other hand, Kunti gave birth to her first son Yudhishthir. Gandhari lost her patience when she heard the news. In anger, she hit her womb. She gave birth to a hard mass of flesh. Sage Vyas sensed trouble and went to the palace immediately. The maid was about to throw the ball of flesh. When Sage Vyas arrived, he stopped her and asked her to bring 100 clay pots filled with clarified butter. He started dividing the ball of flesh into 100 pieces. Gandhari was filled with hope. She even wished for a girl and kept that in mind. Sage Vyas sensed that and divided the ball in 101 pieces. With his ascetic powers, he enclosed the pots and kept them in a secluded place and ordered that the pot must be opened after 2 years. 2 years later, the eldest Kaurav was born from one of the pots. He was named Duryodhan. On the same day, Kunti gave birth to her second son from Vayu named Bhim. One by one, Gandhari's 100 sons and a daughter were born. On advice of Pandu, Kunti conceived for a third time and gave birth to the mighty son of Indra, who would later become famous as Arjun. Madri was sad that she was the only one deprived of motherhood. On her request, Pandu talked to Kunti. Kunti shared her gift with Madri and Madri summoned the celestial twins called Ashwins. The Ashwins begot on Madri twin brothers named Nakul and Sahadev. The line of Kuru was prospering with the birth of Pandavas and Kauravas.